Welcome back to another video, guys. Now, for all of my new subscribers, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be updated on the next available videos. Now, last video we talked about present simple. Now, today we're going to go into a little bit more detail about present simple, first and second and third singular. Okay. Now, what we are going to get started with here is the title, okay? Work hard, play hard. What does that mean to you? All right. I, you, we, and they in my free time and social expressions. All right. Now, I have yellow dots all over my screen. Cool? I don't know. All right, starter. This is what we're going to start with today. What day is it today? Say the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now, guys, you have this book down below in the description, so please go down and download it and work with me, okay? Thank you. All right, present simple form, I, you, we, and they, okay? So you have three different types of present form, okay? The first person, I, second person, you, third person, they, all right? Third person, he, she, it. Now, in the third person is the only time you add an S to the end of the verb, okay? But in the first person and the second person, you use the infinitive verb, okay? I swim in the river. They eat or you eat fish every day. This is the infinitive verb, okay? All right, so read and complete the text with the verbs from the box, okay? We're only going to do the first few. We cannot do all of them, okay? We're on a really tight schedule with time. I am Lisa Parsons. I'm 24 years old, and I is the infinitive verb here, okay? So we use live. If it's the third person, we're going to use verb plus S, okay? Verb plus S. But first person and second person, we use infinitive verbs, all right? I live in New York City. I'm always very busy, but I'm very happy. I'm from Monday to Friday, in a bookstore. I work in a bookstore because this is infinitive. And Strand Bookstore in Manhattan. Then on Saturdays, I have another job. I'm a singer with a band, okay? Okay, all of these are I, so they're going to be the infinitive verb, okay, with no S, okay, no ing, no continuous. All right, let's go down. All right, number 3, questions and negatives. All right, so where do you live? I live in New York. Or you can just say in New York. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. No, I do not, or no, I don't. How can we form those together? By making a contraction. Do not together makes don't, okay? Why don't you relax at the weekends? because I'm at, because I work in nightclubs. The grammar is always a very critical spot here, guys. We always need to really try to focus on this, and we need to really pay attention to what it tells us, okay? Now, the first one represents I. I represents first person singular. Now, first person singular meaning yourself. Second person singular is you, one person. Now, he, she, it. This is third person singular. Third person singular, you add the verb plus the S. Verb plus S. We, they. This is first person singular and second person singular. Okay, does everyone understand? If you do not understand what I am telling you right now, please leave a message down below, okay? Now, with that being said, he, she, it. How can you turn work into plural form? Because we are using the third person singular. This is third person singular, okay? He, she, it works every day, once a week, never, okay? Or negative, don't work or doesn't work, okay? We, they. We, they. We, first person singular. They, second person singular, okay? We, first person plural. They, second person plural. So, positive, work. Negative, don't work. Complete the questions and the answers. Where do you work? Where does she work? Do you work in London? Yes, I do. Does he work in London? No, he does not. Doesn't. A contraction, guys. Contraction. All right. Now, find the adverbs in the text. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Always meaning every day we're doing something. I always take a shower. I always take a shower. All right. I never smoke. I never drink alcohol. Okay. I often watch TV. So half. I watch TV often. All right. Does everyone understand? Now, this is still just going over and over, but I really want to go over questions and negatives, and I want to make sure everyone understands the grammar spots, okay? Now, we're going to go on down to page 24, and we're going to do the practice, okay? Use the words in the box to complete the questions, match the words, match the questions and the answers. Who, how, what time, do, where, when, why, and what. Now, these are all the beginning. This is the W's, okay? The W's. Starting a question, okay? All right. Blank, do you go on holiday? All right. Maybe. When do you go on holiday? Number 3. What do you do on Sundays? All right. What do you do on Sundays? Do you do your homework? Maybe where do you do your homework? All right, but we're going to leave that off for now. Number 5, do you live with? Okay, so we're talking about someone, so we're going to go with who. Number 6, do you like your job? Do you like your job? Maybe why do you like your job? Do you travel to school? How? How do you travel to school? All right. You go out on Friday nights. Do you go out on Friday nights? All right. Now back to number 4. Do you do your homework? When do you do your homework? Okay. And we just go over and check the box, draw a line. What time do you get up at 7 o'clock on weekdays? Okay. Now we're going to slide on over to the picture here on number 2. Look at the pictures and match the words. What seasons do the activities go with? I play golf in the summer, but I play golf in all seasons. You play golf in the summer, but I play golf in all seasons. Playing golf in all seasons. Go to the cinema in all seasons. Listen to music in all seasons. Swimming. Do you swim in the winter? No. Maybe indoor. Maybe. Watch TV in the winter. Watch TV in the summer. Yes. Go to the gym. Yes. Windsurfing. Wind surfing? No. It's too cold in the winter. Playing computer games? Yes. Cooking? Yes. Tennis? Yes. Playing cards? Yes. Skiing? Yes. Dancing? Yes. Sailing? No. We don't sail in the wintertime unless you're a little crazy. Running? Yes. Reading? Yes. Cycling? Maybe. Now, a lot of these are up to you guys. These are a lot of your options, okay? You don't have to answer everything that I am answering, okay? Positives and negatives. Here we have a list of quotes or a list of things people are doing or something they did. We're going to make them opposite, okay? For an example, I like to eat fish. I don't like to eat fish. I like running. I do not like running. You guys understand? Okay, we're only going to do a few, okay? We're only going to do very few here, all right? She doesn't speak Spanish. She does speak Spanish. They want to learn English. They don't want to learn English. We're tired and we want to go to bed. We are not. Okay? This is the contraction for we are. We are. So we cannot say weren't. We can't say weren't. We have to cancel this contraction and make a new one from are and not. Okay? Because the negative word needs to have a contraction with it. So we cancel this one. So we make it we aren't. We aren't for are not tired and we want to go to bed. Okay? Does everyone understand? Okay? If you do not understand what I am explaining here, please leave a comment of your question down in the description below. Okay, guys? Now, I think this is going to conclude our lesson for today. Now, review what we have done and submit all your questions down below before the next video posts. Okay, guys, thank you and have a great day.